You ready to come to Sandy Bottom? Gonna take you someplace special. Come on. Come on. You can come out.
The best.
You excited to go to the park, buddy?
He's like, I like my aunt because she gives me treats.
Yeah, right.
Going down is harder for him than going up.
Yeah, probably scary.
Scared. And he fell down the front steps.
Come on.
Going down the front steps only, but he did take a tumble one day and it seemed like he wasn't trying that.
Mama.
Moses.
He knows. Which way has he been going now? Through the garage?
No, the front door. Now don't let him, oh, he's just doing that. I see that little squat thing going on.
He's just
trying
used to
to
that.
check out the... He thinks he's a dog.
Come on, Moses. Let's go. Come on.
The 8 tomorrow. Say what's up to the vlog, Dad.
What's up to the vlog?
That's the nature center over there. It's cool. All dogs must be leashed. It's pretty cool. You got 2 dogs over there waiting on them. Come on, Mo.
Hey, boy! How you doing? How's my Moses?
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, it's a boy.
Oh, boy, okay.
Come on, Moses.
Okay.
Come on. Here you go.
Cool. Come on, Moses. Come on, boy. Moses has some fans. It's beautiful. Buddy, it's a turtle looking at us. Look at that thing. What's up, buddy? Turtle came to say hi. Look at that thing.
I know. He's huge.
Yeah, it's a gigantic. There's 2 turtles. Give him a dog treat?
No. No, you can't.
Just like throw me some food. Oh, look, there's another one.
Should I give him
Oh, yeah, yeah.
God, yeah, 3 of them.
You see it?
I see him.
Those are claws, for sure.
guys, so we had a successful day at Sandy Bottom the day before Dad's birthday, and Moses had a great time. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog.
Is that the dishwasher room?
Yeah.
Now you dry your puppy down with the help of Sika.
I look a mess. Do not record me.
That's the baby. That's the Moses baby boy.
You ready?
Yeah.